everyone. Welcome back to Up English 101. I'm Sue, so happy to have you here today.
And I'm Jake. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. You know what, Sue? Today's topic makes me want to grab my passport already.
Oh, same here, because today we're talking about something exciting at the airport.
Yes, if you've ever taken a flight or even dreamed of traveling, this episode is perfect for you. We're going to share real airport stories, funny moments, and lots of easy English phrases you can use when you travel.
So make sure you grab a notebook, relax, and get ready to learn English the fun way with us.
And before we take off, don't forget, subscribe to Up English 101, hit that like button, and share this episode with your friends.
That's right. Let's make learning English simple, useful, and fun. Okay, Captain Jake, are you ready for takeoff?
Buckle up, everyone. Let's go at the airport.
Jake, I know you travel a lot. What's one of your most unforgettable airport stories?
Oh, I've got plenty. But my favorite one, or maybe my most embarrassing one, happened in Thailand. I arrived at the airport super early, or at least I thought it was early. I was so proud of myself.
Uh-oh, that sounds suspicious already.
Yeah. Then I looked at the screen, and my flight had already left. I mixed up the time.
No way! So what did you do?
I ran to the airline counter like, "Excuse me, I think I missed my flight." And the lady smiled and said, "Yes, sir, it left 1 hour ago."
Ouch! That's a painful smile.
Exactly. But she was super kind and helped me book another one. That's when I learned the phrase, "Can I rebook my flight?"
Ah, nice phrase. Can I rebook my flight? Means you want to change to a new flight because you missed or can't take your original one.
Right. So learners, if you're ever late or plans change, you can say, "Excuse me, can I rebook my flight?" It's polite and natural.
That's a good one. My turn. I remember one funny experience in Singapore. The security officer stopped me and asked, "Ma'am, is this your bag?"
Uh-oh, what did you do?
I was so nervous. I said, "Yes, is there a problem?" Then he smiled and said, "You left your water bottle inside."
Oh no, everyone forgets that rule. No liquids over 100 milliliters.
Exactly. So I learned the phrase, you need to remove liquids from your bag. And also, you can keep it or throw it away.
That's useful. So travelers, remember, before you go through security, take out your water, perfumes, or big bottles.
Yes, and don't panic like me.
Okay, Sue, let's teach our listeners some simple, useful phrases they can use at the airport.
Good idea. Let's start from the beginning. Check-in.
Yes, when you first arrive, you go to the check-in counter. You can say, "Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight."
That's a classic one. And then maybe they'll ask for your passport or ticket.
Right. So you can also say, "Here is my passport. I booked my ticket online."
And if you have luggage, they might ask, "Do you have any bags to check in?" You can answer, "Yes, one suitcase." "No, just hand luggage."
Oh, I like that. Hand luggage. That's your small bag you take with you onto the plane.
Exactly. And then comes the question we all wait for. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
Ah, yes, seat choice. I always say, "Can I have a window seat, please?"
Same here. I love looking out the window when we take off.
I get jealous of people with the window seat.
Then maybe you should try this phrase. Is there a window seat available?
Good idea. That's a polite way to ask if they have one left.
And sometimes the airline might say, "Sorry, the flight is full." That means no empty seats left.
Right. Then you just smile and say, "That's okay. Thank you."
Good manners always help at the airport.
All right, Sue. Next stop, security check.
Oh yes, my favorite part. Not.
Mine either. But it's important. Let's teach some phrases people might hear.
Sure. You might hear, "Please remove your belt and shoes." "Take your laptop out of the bag."
And if you're not sure, you can ask, "Do I need to take out my phone? Can I keep my jacket on?"
good questions. And sometimes the officer may say, "Step aside for a moment. Please open your bag."
Don't worry if that happens. It's normal. Just stay calm and polite.
Yes, always say sure or no problem. It shows respect and confidence.
After that, you go to your boarding gate. You can ask for help by saying, "Excuse me, where is gate number 15?"
That's great. Or if you're not sure when to go, ask, "When does boarding start?"
Exactly. Boarding means the time when passengers can start going onto the plane.
Right. And the staff might say, "Boarding starts at 6:30.
If you arrive late, you can say, "Excuse me, is the gate still open?"
I've said that before.
Me too.
Okay, now we're finally inside the airplane. Yay!
Yes! Now time for more English phrases. You might hear, "Please fasten your seatbelt." "Please turn off your phone."
Or you can ask the flight attendant, "Excuse me, could I have some water, please?"
Or, "Can I have a blanket if you're feeling cold?"
That's me, always freezing on the plane.
Same here. And if you need to go to the toilet, you can say, "Excuse me, may I go to the restroom?"
Yes, so polite and simple.
When the plane lands, the announcement might say, "Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off."
That means stay in your seat until it's safe to stand up. Now we're at the destination airport. You'll see signs like immigration and customs.
Exactly. Immigration officers may ask, "What's the purpose of your visit? How long will you stay?"
You can answer, "I'm here for a holiday. I'll stay for 2 weeks."
Nice and easy. And at customs, they might ask, "Do you have anything to declare?"
That means, are you bringing in something special like expensive items or food?
If you don't have anything, you can say, "No, nothing to declare."
Then you're free to go and enjoy your trip.
All right, Sue, time for some funny stories.
Oh, yes. One time I went through security and they stopped me because I forgot my scissors in my pencil case.
Oh no.
Yeah, I used them for crafts, but I totally forgot. The officer was like, "Ma'am, you can't bring this." I was so embarrassed.
I once got stopped because of my souvenir magnets. They thought it was metal parts.
Oh, wow. So, lesson learned, check your bags carefully before flying.
Yes, always remember these travel tips. Check your luggage weight. Keep your passport and boarding pass safe. Arrive early, at least 2 hours before your flight.
Exactly. And don't forget to smile and be polite. It really helps when you travel abroad.
All right, let's review some of the most useful phrases today.
Good idea. Repeat after us, everyone.
I'd like to check in for my flight.
Can I have a window seat, please?
Where is gate number 15?
Can I rebook my flight?
No, nothing to declare.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
Yes, practice these phrases often and soon you'll sound confident at any airport.
And remember, English isn't just grammar and words. It's communication, it's connection, and it's confidence.
And that's all for today's episode at the airport.
We hope you had fun learning and laughing with us.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, and if you want to keep improving your English with simple, real conversations, come back every week for Up English 101.
Thanks for flying with us today.
See you next time, and safe travels, everyone.
Bye-bye from Up English 101.